Hey guys, welcome. There's nothing like getting out and doing some good shooting on a beautiful day. Got my brand new 22 pistol. It is a Phoenix Arms. It's really fun. I like little pistols like that. They're just awesome. So let's look at a couple of the features here. When I first got the gun, you actually could not take the magazine out without having it on safety. Right now it's on fire. I don't know if you can see that or not. Anyway, it's on fire, and you had to put it on safety before you could take the magazine out. I did a modification to it underneath this handle here and fixed that problem. And you also could not well, you had to take the magazine out, and then you couldn't unload it without the magazine in there. Like if you had a bullet in the chamber there, you couldn't unload it unless you had the magazine in. And if you had the magazine full, you would have had to unload the whole magazine to get the bullet out of the chamber. So I modified that to where it works now. A lot of people are saying it's a cheap gun, but actually it's nice and heavyweight. It doesn't look, I mean, it looks really good to me. The grips could use a little bit more TLC, and it doesn't look perfect, but it's close enough. So what it came with in here was a set of earplugs, some cleaning pads, the keys for the box, there's a lock on the box there, and a magazine hole lock, some gun lubricant, and then the instructions. And here's some cleaning stuff here, like a brush and a couple other tools, and then the rod for running it down the barrel. So far I really like it. Let's see here, I've probably put 150 rounds through it already, and I've only had it a couple days, and I really like it. So anyway, it's really good little gun. I would definitely recommend it to someone who wants a cheap gun. This one with the stainless steel or the all-weather barrel, and it's actually 5 inches long. So this one here was about $175, which is very good for a 22 pistol. They're cheap and they're pretty accurate. So that's that. I hope y'all enjoyed. I'll try to bring you another video soon.